a very good morning. In my language, I say mwabuga bieni, meaning to say good morning, good morning. Hey. Thank you for coming through to yet another episode. Guys, this is the very good morning. It's Sunday today. You can see people are coming through right here in the falls. Everyone is going there. Everyone is going there. You can see these are skulls. Skulls. Mbanyama. We say animals. In my language, we say mbanyama. That one. So guys, I just want to tell you guys in my own language what do we call all these animals. This one right here is called a buffalo right now. So in my language you say inyati. And then that one there is a skull of a baboon right there. Tutingo sogwe. In my language we call it sogwe. And then this one right there, that one is a skull of a warthog. In my language we call it injiri. And then that one is a skull of a lion. And then we call it molav. Right there we have got impala skull. We call it lubondwe. That one is as well is a pushback. And then this one is a skull of black rhinoceros. We call it chipembele. And then this one is a hippopotamus. We call it imvuvu. So right behind me here is a skull of the big man, the big lion, the elephant, the loxodonta giganta. We call it in our language inzovu. Thank you so much. Till we meet again in the next episode. So I forgot to show you these ones. The tortoise. We call it bafurwe, meaning to say in plural, two of these bafurwe, these tortoise. Kana uti kabandwa. Those ones who stay in water, you know. So thank you so much guys. Till we meet again in my next episode. Thank you.